So for today's video I'm going to be doing a tour of my first year uni room, but instead of me doing a voiceover, I thought it'd be fun to include little clips of some experiences from uni. Please enjoy.
My apartment is on the first floor, which means that my sink overlooks the smoking area. We've just agreed to do a three-legged race into town. Lauren! You're done! I'm cutting you off!
Me and Lauren have become codependent, so we're having
I have a 9 AM. She has a 9 AM. We're going to GAY! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Go on, blow them out!
I'm making a weird shot!
Alright!
Tell me why ain't nothing but a mystery. Number 5.
Maybe a little bit drunk, but we made a cake!
Bye, Evan.
She served you well anyway, let me show you.
It's not even a lever!
Like 500 grams of mushrooms, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, maybe 1 clove of garlic, an onion.
You're fine, eat your bread!
We're in afterwards, baby.
We're in afters. Who's setting the building on fire then? Is it like it's an actual fire? What's all this stuff?
Strawberry, there she's in there!
New power of a cylinder.
What? Happy birthday!
I didn't say it, I'm not drunk, fuck off.
I think it's that time of the night, Karen.
No. Logan, you okay? Get out the bush. Logan, get out the bush.
We're causing a ruckus in public.
Anyway,
Can't take us anywhere.
I'm currently doing the blueing. She just said I can't feel my eyes.
I can't feel my eyes.
Hang on. He's drinking straight milk. Turn around. You're drinking straight milk. Logan is still blue.
No spooky, no wookie.
No.
Cheesy
Cheesy peeps.
Oh, cheesy peeps. Cheesy peeps.
Say it.
Cheesy peeps.
Everyone started saying it. Go on, BJ.
I do think that is a gay code though.
Yeah. Everyone hold hands.
I might have won then, I think, maybe.
Oh my god! Yeah! She doesn't drink! Yeah, tap water on me! Woo! Yeah!
That's everything. I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you next week.